I started my just by daily expenses only. It costed my the export business. Hardly establishing a farm and this all with simple expenses. For buying the goods also, I got the advance. So don't have to. We don't have to any have any investment for that.
And what was the profit margin?
Profit margin is 80 to 100%. Yes, it is good margin.
First, I
Yes.
wanted to know what thought brought you into export? Like, why export, Raju sir? Namaskar, everybody. Welcome each one of you to one more podcast. We have a very unique case study, somebody who served in Airforce and now into export. Help me welcome respected sir, Mr. NB Raju. NB Raju sir, namaste and welcome. Thank you for being here.
Namaste, Saudi. Uh, I came to export because of you only. My name is NB Bhimaraj, Nagalpalli Bhimaraju from Hyderabad, actually born in Odisha. Earlier served as a sergeant in Air Force, technical background. Worked in Mirage 2000 aircraft also and other roles for 20 years. After that, I worked in some corporate jobs and all,
Oh, wow.
15 years. After that, I want to start my own something. Then I came across the online browsing if, being exporter. Then just the initial training session I attended. I liked it and joined the course 2 years back. It was a good experience to do align with you, sir.
Got it. Thank you. Raju sir, we will go in detail about the journey. First, I
Yes.
wanted to know what thought brought you into export? Like, why export, Raju sir?
Export, a lot of margins are expected. The Indian market, its margins are very competitive. A lot of people, business people are there in India, but they are not aware of exporting the thing to globally. So, being the MBA, I studied and I thought of taking our products to globally with good margins and allowing the globe to know some more of our products. Many products are there; they are not aware of Indian products. So some of the thing. And I'm not a manufacturer, but all the item as being merchant exporter, I was doing all the promotion. Whatever the thing people are asking, I
Right.
have a lot of database I collected because of you. So time to time I pitch something to all global buyers what they are buying because the data. So I will be knowing them to know what their requirement and what's our availability, study and pitch the product quality, the things and all. Initially, I was doing a lot of marketing only. It bit late it came my honor, but still it happened. It's happening rather. Hmm.
Great. Got it. Raju sir, we will go in the detailing of. See, you came from an absolute different background. And
Yes, sir.
then you started pitching to buyers, and then you are somebody's a
Yes.
non-manufacturer. So usually people feel that only manufacturers can export. What are your thought and what is the communication you want to convey? There you go, my dear sir.
Yeah, a lot manufacturers can do. It's very good thing, but the manufacturer, no, for export, manufacturer need not to be a manufacturer. Anybody can do export without any investment. I started my just by daily expenses only. It costed my the export business. Hardly establishing a farm and this all with simple expenses. Then for buying the goods also, I got the advance. So don't have to. We don't have to any have any investment for that. I bought the consignment, all the money from buyer only. I got. Even transportation charges, expenses also they paid in early before the starting the export.
Got it. So Raju sir, that was my next question. So we'll go step by step. Let's say you said payment terms. So payment terms is advance.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Okay.
yes. Yeah, sir.
Got it.
Uh,
And what was the profit margin?
Profit margin is 80 to 100%. Yes, it is good margin.
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you very much for sharing Raju sir, you started the journey and you're reaching to buyers. There was ups and downs, and then you're very firm that you will cause an order, and finally you did that. So
Yes,
you
sir.
received advance payment, 80 to 100% profit margin. So the moment family saw all this, Raju sir, what was their expression? What was their experience? What will you share?
Initially, family export means they were what you can do or not. Some they have some doubts initially, but once I got the order, they are surprised and they felt proud of getting the order and payment and all. They felt it's we are in good business. They
Wow,
thought, but this is called perseverance, keeping the hope and trying our best.
great.
That's it. Mhm.
Great. Sir, the moment you started, let's say practicing, attending sessions, doing
Yes,
buddy calls, doing mocks,
yes,
taking
sir.
all the notes, working on roadmap, posting your progress, which was your favorite activity in the entire system?
Favorite activities, the pitching and the data collection, sir.
Yeah.
Data collection that that's the main content for all the things. That only matters all the um, groundwork. That's only the thing.
Yeah.
Data collection, who is the buyer, what the thing that even every day that has to be done. Even now also I do it after so much of data, so many new products, new buyers. They come. What are the market trends? That all. Actually, it is data collection is the main thing. I was liking and I'm doing it. So as of now, I am doing. But technically, some latest technical tools are available that I am using it to collect
Wow.
the various platforms. That all you taught me and sessions that helped me a lot.
Right. Raju sir, what is the message you want to convey to the viewers? Because what, viewers, though, they are watching this podcast, let's say on YouTube or on Instagram, some stories or some Facebook or some advertisement or during the session. So they are exporters and they are aspiring exporters. Raju sir, for export industry, what is the message you will convey? There you go, sir.
Message: do not wait for the perfect condition. Start with whatever knowledge we have. With the guidance and all, it is very good. Confidence automatically it will build up. And with mentor like Bhagirath sir, it is really wonderful learning curve it will be. If a small town rice mill, small and ex Air Force person, I can do, anybody can do the with latest technologies. The young generation are very talented. They can very well do our Indian products globally. They can take it with good margins. But there are so many system delays. But before that, one should prepare for all the things like IEC, Ice Gate, these all things. One should prepare all the things well in advance so that they will not have any problems.
Awesome.
Anybody can do it, sir. Even small girls, they can do the export. It is very simple thing. Government is encouraging a lot of ways also.
Brilliant.
Yes,
My
sir.
dear viewers, see, that's the reason we say that you need to have a goal and then complete pre-sales activities. Once you
Yes,
have
sir.
done, then yeah, then you start sales and then you
Yes.
reach to the buyer and then you do the journey.
Yeah, that is what I think, sir. Before means getting order, one should have all the process flow, guidance and knowledge, so that in between they are not held up. And of course, my some of the my order is bit small. The freight forward the hesitant to take the small thing, but still I insisted them because they don't get good margin in the small consignments, freight forwarders. So with all perseverance, they agreed and they got it.
Wow.
They're doing
Great.
it.
Got it. Great. Sir, what is the message you will convey, about our support or, our services, whatever you have experienced?
Bhagirath sir, really the mentorship is very wonderful, motivational, and one should always be in touch for any problem. Export guide. in person. You are there always. In the night time also, when I call, you are available and you answer it. Your team is answering me. Really, I felt very helpful from being exporter community.
Yeah.
Yes, the process is also very good, sir. The other commitments are there. Still, I focus in export also many times. I I gave calls many times to your team and the thing. In between, some other family matters happened, but that was some other thing. Then
Great.
yes, sir.
Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, your bigness. My dear viewers, that was respected Raju, sir. Somebody was serving in Air Force and now turned as an exporter. He started having a goal, clear cut goal, completing the process, which is pre sales, and then working on sales part. And then result is here. See why we share these kind of case studies, because the only purpose is we want to encourage you so that you also be the next superhero as an exporter. Raju, sir, thank you very much for investing your time and being here. Truly appreciate it, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I will be in continuous touch, sir. Still, may I am in the business. I will be always be with you.
Yeah.
Your disciple.
Yeah. All yours, sir. Always welcome. My dear viewers, thank you very much for watching. I'll come again with one more podcast. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Thank you, Raju.
Thank you, sir.